it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Today I have a JOURNALSAY haul for you. I'm really excited. I bought this with my own money, but I do have an affiliate link. I'll link it in the description box below. You can use it to save a little bit of money. I'm not sure what the amount that you save is, but I'll put the link, and I will try, I don't know if I can, to link the items that I did purchase, but I'll definitely put the link in the description box below to order. So let's see what's in here. It's been a while since I ordered this. So let's see what I ordered. It's been, I don't know, maybe like 8 days since I ordered this. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. And like I said, this is a JOURNALSAY haul. I'm all excited about this. Okay, let's just start getting in here and looking at what all I picked up. This looks like it is beautiful scrapbook paper or journaling paper. This would be so pretty in a creative art journal or any kind of journal. Look at that. I love that. That's so pretty. It's single-sided. It is like fairy themed. Oh, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Love it. That is pretty too. Look at that butterfly. This has the writing with the butterfly and flowers. Such realistic pictures. And then this is this one. So I really like this retro style. Okay, we put this back in here. I need to find a creative way to store all my stickers and things like that. Okay, I was in a very fairy theme when I purchased this, but I think this is gorgeous. I love this. Let's look at this. Beautiful scrapbooking paper once again, or journaling paper. Look at the fairy and then the little mushroom house. Look at this. This is so pretty. Very whimsical, this page. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. And if you wanted, you could fold them and turn them into a journal that way too. Or you could sew them in or just use it for a creative art journal, which is probably what I will do. I think these are beautiful. Looks like you get 8 pages of this, but you get 2 designs on each page. Very pleased with that. Then I picked up Forest Picnic. Let's check this out. And there's 30 pieces in this, okay? So I'll just try to, I guess I'll open this. Okay. Oh, look at that. Is that not beautiful? You get 2 pages each. Let me bring this down a little bit so you can see. I'm filming this after dark. I have my ring lights on, but it's still a little dark. But look at these. Like I said, oh, now this has 3 pages each. So I guess you do get 3 pages each of the little picnic. It's so pretty. You could cut these apart. You could leave them together. Oh, look at that basket. It's beautiful. Oh, look at this umbrella. Stunning. I love that. Then this is beautiful. Then that. And look at her. You could cut her out. Oh, look at that. Is that not a beautiful scene? I really do love these. Try to put these back in here. Then I picked up Seaside Time. I'm really excited for this. I think this would make a beautiful spread. Oh, look at that with that wisteria hanging. down. You get 3 of each design. I love that. I think that would be gorgeous to be cut apart or whatever. Let's go in a little closer, okay? Then look at this. This is so beautiful with the beach, the table and chairs, and the seagulls. And once again, look at this with the umbrella. Makes me want to go over to the beach. I love JOURNALSAY's journaling supplies. Look at this, the picnic table, gorgeous. Then here is this again. Then 3 of those, just the beautiful scenery of the beach with the flowers. Look at that sky. Looks like it may be raining in the distance. And the sand. Look at that, how pretty. These almost remind me, some of these, like this one, of watercolor. It's so beautiful. There's a sailboat. And then here is this with the picnic basket, with the drinks. Look at that tree. That is gorgeous. And then we finish off with that. So I really do love these. I think they're beautiful. Okay, then I picked up Flower Dream. I think this is a sticker book. I'm not sure. Oh, no, it's paper again. Because I needed some more paper, I thought. And you get, how many do you get of each? 3 of each, once again. That is beautiful with the butterflies. That would be beautiful even for a fairy theme if it's what you wanted to do. Then we have this. Then look at that, the rose, the butterflies. Gorgeous. And you get quite a few of these. Look at that. Looks so like vintage. Let me see if it says how many you get. Looks like you get 10 different designs and 3 apiece. So there you go. Look at that. I think that is so pretty around that. Almost looks like a tapestry. This is very pretty as well. So is that. This has like a city in the background and those roses and butterfly. Look at this. That's gorgeous. And then it finishes off with that. I think it is so pretty. Then I picked this up. Oh, I got 2 of those. Okay. 2 of these. All right. Then I picked up one of these little cutting mats. Because if I need to, like, some of those little stickers. And this is thick. Double-sided. They had it in several colors, but I wanted to get the pink. But like, you know, if you have the pet tape and you need to cut it out, I thought this wouldn't take up a lot of room and would be so nice. And it even has the measurements on that. This is more textured on this side, and this is smoother. Smoother and more textured. I think you can see that. Then I wanted to get some longer scissors. So I picked these up. I think these will be really nice. Do I have anything that I can cut? Okay, I have this. Let's try this. Oh, they seem to cut very nicely. So I really do like these scissors. All right. Then I picked up this. You could get it in 2 different colors. And it's like just a, almost like an X-Acto knife. But I thought maybe this would be great for straight lines. Let's see. Oh, that works great for a straight line. This, I think, will be a game changer in my journals, like my creative journal or my creative art journal. Love that. Great, and you saw that worked great. Okay, so I love that. Then I picked this up. It looks like just letters. I don't know, these aren't stickers, but you can see it just looks like letters. Okay. They had them in different colors. I picked up that color pink. Then the lighter pink, you get 3 of each. Then this is like that kind of sideways. And this is really pretty. Look at that collar. I love it. Then here is this. This is beautiful. You could just tear those. It would be so pretty in a journal. Or a junk journal even. Look at that. Is that not pretty? I had 3 like that. Then like that. This is so awesome. 3 like that. And 3 like that. So I really like these. I'm happy with these. Kind of wish they were sticker format, but they're not. And that is okay by me. Then I got some more paper. I got some washi too. All right, this is called Midnight Flyer. And you get 30 pieces of paper with this. Look at this. Is that not beautiful? This is more like for Christmas. But I thought I wanted to go ahead and get it while I, had it in my mind. And you get 3 pieces of each. And I think they're really beautiful. You can see the writing in the background. It's so pretty. And then here is this. Love it. And 3 like that. Is that not beautiful? That would make a beautiful spread. And then there's that. And then here is that. I love it. So pretty. And then look at this. And it has the writing like on the side and down through there. And then the trees. That is very unusual. I really like that as well. Sorry about it being so dark in here. And then this one, it looks like a registration mark. Look at that. Then 3 like that. And then 3 like that. I really do like these. Then this, I think I'm really going to love this as well. These are like vellum, I think. Purple Mist Poetry, 30 pieces. Now this is paper. Is it a sticker? No, this is paper. Okay, you get 2 a piece. But that is gorgeous. Then you get that. Some of this is vellum. You get some that are not vellum and some that are vellum. Okay, then you get that. I love these. These look so vintage, so dainty. Look at that. Look at that, how beautiful that is. 2 like that. So pretty. Then that. And then this is where the vellum starts in. That is so pretty. I love it. And looks like you get 1 of each of these, and they are like the ones that were in the paper. So you get 1 of each of the ones that were in the paper. Look at that. You see the butterflies. It's beautiful. Look at that. That's beautiful. I love this, okay? All right, then handwritten paper room, okay? Like I said, I got a lot of paper because I really felt like I needed it. Look at that even. Is that not gorgeous? You could use that. These are stickers. I love it. That is gorgeous. You get 2 of each. Then you get 2 that are really small. Then back to 2 large. Then 2 that are really small again. Look at that. It looks so old and vintage. Then 2 larger. I guess it alternates between large and small. Then 2 of those. Then 2 small like that. And 2 small like that. And I love it because they're sticker paper. So, I mean, they're stickers. I love that. That is so cool, okay? Then I picked up some more handwritten paper. Okay, oh, that was supposed to go in with that. All right, then you get 20 pieces of this. I still love that, okay? Okay, you get 2 smaller ones. Is that not cute? Then you get 2 like this, and I love it how the edges look so torn already. It's gorgeous. 2 like that. Oh, look at this. That's totally cool. I love that blue. Look at this. Like the little envelopes. I really like this bunch. Look at that seal. And then here, then you get 2 going this way. Okay. Then here is that one and that one. I love these. They're so perfect. I got some more of this Purple Mist Poetry. It's the same thing. You get the paper and the vellum in the back, and then this paper and vellum in the back. So I got 2 more of those. And then I picked up this. I'm really excited about this. Let's look at this washi. Pretty sure these are just flower petals that are loose. So I'm not going to open them. But it says Roland's Poetry, 100 pieces. So you get 100 pieces of these different little petals. And you just take them off one at a time, and they're different petals. Gonna love that, okay? Then I got this. I thought this would be so fun. Blended watercolor. Okay, they had this in several different colors, but it has writing and then these paint splotches. And it goes for a long time. And it repeats, I think, here. Yeah, you get all of this before it repeats. So, pretty stoked about that. I like it. I think it will add a lot to my journals. And then I'm just going to put a rubber band around that, okay? Then I picked up some washi, okay? Basic pattern washi. I picked up the yellows because this can be really good sometimes if you just need just some basic colors. I like this. It has the grid, and then it has wider, and then it goes down to smaller. So I really like this. You get 7 rolls of washi. Then I wanted to get the purplish blue because I really didn't have any really neat blue ones. Not that many. And I like that they give you that grid. And then it goes down. So I love that. I think you can always use washi. Then I got the basic pattern Ocean. Is that not pretty? I love those. Especially down in here. And I like they have this little case to store them in. Then I picked up the basic pattern Forest. You can see those colors right there. And there they are. Love that. And then the basic pattern Champagne. I really like these. These are more pastel, and I really like them. And then I like how that one looks. All right, here's my JOURNALSAY haul and unboxing. I really do love everything that I picked up. Like I said, check out in the description box, and I'll have an affiliate code if you want to shop at no additional cost to you. I would really appreciate it. It helps out my channel so much. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay crafty.